Okay, so here we have our high voltage water bridge again, and we want to see what's really going on. I've heard some people claim that the water is actually traveling very fast through that little tube, and what we do is we got some here, keeps on breaking. Okay, just zoom in on that little tube thing down there, and what we have is we have some ink here. Oh boy, that's really zoomed in. And I'm going to try to put some ink right near the one side. This is the positive side over here, and the other side's the negative. And let's see what happens if we put a little bit of ink and see if the okay. I don't want it to break while we're doing this, so let's put some ink here. What happened? That was interesting. Let's get her going again. Okay, that ink is interfering with the water bridge, so I cannot seem to get it going again. Well, that's interesting. Oh, come on, really? Okay, there we go. Huh. How bizarre. Let me see if I can get that ink away from the spout over there, because it will not create a water bridge now that that ink is there. Okay, so here's the beaker where we put the ink in, and it looks like it shot ink all over the other beaker. Let me try wiping that with something. It looks like it just shot it out. It's like a spray painter or something all over the... Let's move this guy. How bizarre. Let me try wiping this. See, that is all over the front of it. So when that water bridge exploded, it just shot ink all over this guy right here. Okay, so I think I'm going to have to clean this up before we can try the water bridge experiment again, because it will not form a water bridge anymore with the ink in the water for some reason. Okay. Okay, I suspect that that ink is not water soluble, because it seemed like it stayed globular in there, which is kind of weird. So it's not exactly what I intended from this experiment, but since we have this ink and I don't have any other ink, and we got the thing set up, let's try the negative side and just see what happens. And when we hook up, put some ink on the negative side. Okay. There's our water bridge there. And We got our ink again. And let's just try sticking some ink over on this side and see what happens. That's weird. Looks like the ink is actually trapped inside the water bridge, possibly. Like right in the center of it. Yeah, it looks like it's right in the center. Yeah, not moving. So, shall we stick some ink on the positive side again and see if it explodes one more time? You can definitely see the ink shooting across. It's trying to form a bridge again. Shooting ink across when it does form a bridge. Very bizarre. Let's see if we can help it out. I'll bring it a little bit closer and see if we can make the bridge again. Okay. Oh. It's definitely shooting ink across the bridge when it gets a chance. What the heck? I see smoke coming up. I see smoke coming out of the water. Might have to turn the battery off in a little bit because, yeah, it's not forming the bridge anymore. I think when it gets ink in that area, the bridge, it doesn't form it. I don't want to ruin my battery. So there we go. Ink in the water bridge. Looks like the ink is forming spots on either side at the high voltage points. Very interesting. Okay, we'll have to look at this in slow motion and see what's going on. Okay. Anyway, this is Dr. Janes, and thanks for watching.